we are back in Jamaica and we are on our way to Pelican Bar. We got Captain Rich here to my left, our captain for the day.
Yes, sir. Welcome, welcome to Parotee. Beautiful day in paradise, Jamaica. We love. You guys should visit.
Starting to rain.
Sometime I come out of here, I don't want to go back home. Because I'm free.
Mutter hatte verloren.
That's true. See, I love you guys, man. You live different.
Hey sir, how are you?
Oh, yes, welcome. Hey, Dad, come on here.
Ab 3-4 Uhr wirst du hier keinen Platz mehr zum Sitzen haben. We're having all a great time. The rum punch is flowing and the lemon beer is flowing. The lobster is ordered. My mom is still talking in between every sentence when somebody says something. But I'm slowly getting used to it, even if it's still stressing me out. But that's what's family like, right? So we're waiting now for our garlic lobster and our steamed fish that we ordered. We'll enjoy that here, then probably take the boat right back and head back home, because the drive here from Mandeville is pretty long. We will enjoy our time here at Pelican Bar, and that was my mom laughing. And here's the crew. And they just served us the steamed fish. Looks pretty good. Festival. How delicious. Cool?
Buttermilk.
It's a little sweeter, yeah. Now we just need to prep some of that okra. There comes the lobster.
What is that? Hummer oder was?
Hummer, ja. Tastes pretty good.
What is that?
Hummerfleisch.
And now I need to go and pay for this. Let me just pay this really quick. What do we owe you?
So that's 6,500. Thank you.
Thanks so much. The fish was a little bit more expensive than the lobster. Which one is better, the fish or the lobster? Fish. Fish is better, so apparently it's exactly the price. So now we're gonna enjoy this, maybe have one more beer, and then we're heading back on the boat. Last bites and last sips here at Pelican Bar. The food was fantastic. It was actually very, very good. Ellie is not getting enough of it. She's trying to dip the last little pieces. So it was very good. There's just a fish head left. It was pretty good. I think we are telling our Captain Rich now that we want to go back, and then we're heading back to Mandeville. So let's get ready for a boat ride back. Let's see where they are. Hey Floyd, thank you so much.
Yes, my brother.
Hey guys, we're heading out. Floyd, thank you so much. It was a pleasure here.
Thank you for the visit and the support, brother, and the decoration, okay? Long live the king.
Long live the king, man.
Pay for my food, I'm eating dog. I'm eating dog.
Yeah, guys here, you know. You guys put that smile on our face. Love, blessing.
Smile on our face.
Yeah, man.
Okay, my love, you want me to go first?
Yeah, done.
Okay. We're trying to deboard the boat.
Wait, the water goes down.
Yep.
Go, out. Dankeschön. You're the best husband in the world. I have the best husband in the world.
I just carried her from the boat to the beach. Here's the Kilimanjaro.
On our way out, Captain Rich showed us a little bit of the devastation and destruction that Hurricane Melissa left when it came over Jamaica in end of 2025.
Never seen nothing like this. My cousin is homeless right now, and my auntie and his husband are homeless.
It's really devastating, but the people here are not losing hope, and that is the most important thing. So please support them whenever you are in Jamaica. Stop by Pelican Bar. We have put Captain Rich's phone number at the end of this video. Stop by and support and have a good time.
This tree was right here. This tree was right here. This was saving my house. This is my mother. She gonna take a picture.
Captain Rich in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, we're back at the car right now. Captain Rich, thank you so much.
Respect, one love. Please visit Jamaica. Thank you.
Thanks so much for everything. See you soon.
Thank you for everything. Thank you.